Okay, layout of larder kitchen. I told you that the planning of layout of a larder kitchen is very important, and it is a very complex task that need to be performed. So why we need the layout of larder kitchen? First, it gives an idea to set up accordingly the larder kitchen. Then it helps to allocate the sub departments in the larder kitchen. Then a proper ventilation and lighting is required because in the larder kitchen the minute works are performed. For example, to cut the carcass of the animals with sharp edges or sharp knife tools. Then the proper lighting is necessary. Then the smooth workflow is required in the larder kitchen, and that therefore the layout of larder kitchen is very important. Then to avoid accidents, because when we are going to plan the larder kitchen, we have to keep in mind the galley, Galley. Galley is basically the term which is used for space. Okay, space between the tables, working tables or the tools, and the space between the station or the pickup counter. Clear? Then to avoid accidents, okay, it is necessary to plan or to plan the layout of larder kitchen to avoid the accidents. And how we can avoid the accidents? By installing the heavy duty equipment at their appropriate locations and in an appropriate manner. The staff must have uh, must have knowledge to operate the heavy duty equipments or light duty equipments. Clear? So all these points reduce the chances of accidents. Clear? Then hassle free. Hassle free. Yes. This is the most important, because when we keep all the above points in mind, then definitely the layout of larder kitchen will help to avoid the hassle in the larder kitchen, because each and every task will be performed in a systematic manner, and there will no any hustle in the larder kitchen. Then what are the points we have to keep in mind? The first, it is a complex task. Then the layout is totally depend on the menu, and it is the menu is decided by the executive chef and the manager. Then garde manger is a term, French term used for larder kitchen or cold kitchen. Then this department is unique in its operation. It handle all the perishable and cold items. Then it has its own butchery and bakery, so that each and every preparation can take place in the larder kitchen only. Then prepare its own sauces, own frying, smoking of fish and cold meats. This is done in the larder kitchen. He doesn't ask for any help from the other departments. Clear? So the larder kitchen is responsible for preparing its own sauces. He applies on frying method or smoking method on fish or cold meats. Then planning of layout. Okay, when we are going to plan the layout of larder kitchen, we have to focus on the appetizer section, the charcuterie products, and tallow and ice sculptures, because these are the sections which need a proper space to perform the task. Okay, if there will be some lacking in the space, then the task cannot be performed easily or in a smooth way, there will be hassle in the department and in the operation as well. Then the planning of layout also includes the pickup point, the distribution point, and the combination of the above these two. So what is pickup basis? Whenever the order is received from the restaurant and the food is served in the restaurant, when the waiters come and pick up their food from the counter, so that is known as pickup basis when the food is going to be served in the restaurants. On a distribution basis, when there is a party in the banquet hall or marriage party or birthday party, any event, then the distribution of the dishes takes place in the large kitchen, and the supplies are done from the larder kitchen to the banquet. Clear? So that is known as distribution basis. And then on a combination of two basis, so sometimes it happens that there is a party and there is a order coming from the restaurants. So it is the responsibility of Chef Gardmanji to perform the task accordingly. Clear? So these three ways help the larder chef to perform the task in a smooth way. Then this is the layout of larder kitchen. Okay, it has sinks. It has a service counter direct to the restaurant, that is pickup counter. Then hors and salad section. You can see there is a separate space for hors and salad section. It has a refrigerator, it has cupboards, workbench. Okay, it has the sofa, workbench, and that is attached with the swing door to the kitchen. It has scale, weighing machine, and it has a workbench. Then it also has the butcher block. Then it has the poultry and butchery working bench where the cutting of meat items or the poultry is taken out on this bench. Then it has a mincing and slicing machine. Then deep freezer, fish refrigerator. Okay, there is a tank where the live trouts are stored. Clear? And there is a slate counter, so where the cuttings of vegetables or the other items are performed. Clear? So this is the layout of larder